Hey creators, how you doing out there? Today I'm bringing some fire. I wrote this article. I was like, I gotta turn this into a podcast and a video for YouTube because this is it. I have laid out a master plan for all of you to break free from social media, the matrix, and this is your path to prosperity. So let's dig into it. Starting at 99% of the creators I've engaged with in a heart-to-heart asking, are you yearning to break free from the social media circus conversation, responded with emphatic, yes, please, or, let's be real, an absolutely resounding hell yes. It's like we're all nodding our heads in harmony, united by the collective exhaustion of scrolling, posting, and hoping for a social media miracle. And yet, here's the kicker. Despite this unanimous cry for liberation, only a fraction of these passionate souls actually take the leap to ditch social media. Fear, uncertainty, or maybe just a tad too much cat video allure seems to keep everybody coming back to social media. And I know what it's like. It's scary. If you don't have a clear strategy or a clear path that's better than what you're doing on social media, then it's absolutely scary. And I tell my story in my business of the business thriving in business without social media masterclass. I was getting business of meditation and thriving in business without social media mixed up. Those are two different offerings I do. But my fellow creator, today's your day. I'm here to hand you the golden ticket to reclaim your sanity, your time, and your creative space. The escape plan from the digital labyrinth, my friends, is laid bare before you. And let me tell you, I've highlighted each step with the brightest neon marker in the toolkit of clarity. So this isn't some vague promise of liberation. This is literally your roadmap to being a bona fide social media refugee if that's what you want, just like me. So picture this. By the time 2023 wraps up its story, you could very well be nurturing your business and watching it thrive, far, far away from the echoing void of tweets and selfies. Yes, this very plan could be your genie in a bottle granting you 3 wishes: growth, freedom, and a clear path to prosperity. So let's cut to the chase. In September, I've got your back, ready to walk you through every meticulous step of this grand emancipation plan, which is laid out below this. But if you're inclined to be self-motivated fire starter, then let me lay out the treasure map for you right here, right now, so you can get started. The 5 awe-inspiring steps to forging and touring your very own signature workshop, right here. Step 1, forge an epically transformative 60-minute signature workshop. This workshop is no ordinary spiel. It's the gateway to your world, your thoughts, your transformational magic. Imagine dazzling your audience, guiding them through a mind-bending journey that leaves them hungry for more. This, my friends, is your live performance, a stage show that can traverse physical and digital realms alike. It's for new audiences. It's their first introduction to your story, your unique philosophy, and their very first breakthrough transformation with you as their guide. At the climax, you don't just drop the mic, you extend an invitation to journey deeper with you. This could be offering them your paid 30-day challenge, an exclusive community, membership, coaching, or your flagship offering. You decide where it goes next. And believe it or not, after delivering my signature workshop around thriving in business without social media, in 2023, I've done it 9 times. My email list has grown by over 3,000 people. And my question to you is, when was the last time your email list grew by that many people without guzzling a fortune into paid ads? My guess is it hasn't for most of you. Step 2, script an irresistible pitch email for the signature workshop tour you're going to go on. Just like you'd pitch a podcast to feature your dazzling self, you're now pitching your signature workshop to fellow creators in your space. They're chasing the golden goose of value for their flock, and you're about to bestow it upon them. What I'm meaning by that is, every creator that has an email list, their number one intention is to provide tons of value to their audience so their audience sticks around. That's the whole name of the game. So flex those email muscles, reach out to your network and industry comrades, and present them with a chance to shower their audience with your magic, your signature workshop. So you're pitching to do your signature workshop on their stage, virtual or in person. And then you rinse and repeat on as many stages as you possibly can get on. And trust me, you're creating a win-win-win tango. Many will happily say yes to. Step 3. When they say, heck yes, I'd love to host your signature workshop, and you get their nod of approval, you don't stop there. You pitch a podcast appearance before your grand signature workshop delivery. This little prelude lets their audience feel your vibes, get acquainted with your brilliance, and inevitably it nudges their curious minds toward your free signature workshop. Now your goal, which is step 4 here, is to make promoting you a piece of cake. Imagine being so organized that even a squirrel on caffeine could promote your signature workshop with ease. Create a treasure trove of promo emails, social media scripts, banner images, and let's not forget variety, a sprinkle of few nuggets of wisdom through compelling articles and videos. That's right. You can, in your promotional content, you can have some articles and videos that are a part of the promotional pieces that help promote your signature workshop. What you're doing here is you're building trust. You're handing out gold and casually nudging your hosts to share the bounty with their audience. These newfound audience members will quickly receive these value bombs, aka trust you, and delightedly join your signature workshop experience to see what you're all about. And then step 5, your podcast leads into the signature workshop, and your signature workshop leads into your paid flagship offering, whatever that might be. You may not get to be on a podcast every time you offer a signature workshop, but for the times you do, here's the sequence of events that you will engineer to unfold. Step 1, you go on their podcast, which promotes the signature workshops. Usually those are released a week to 2 weeks before the signature workshop. Number 2, they send out 1 to 3 pre-written emails promoting your free signature workshop. It's up to them how many emails they're going to send. But in my case, it's been anywhere between 1 and 3 emails depending on who the host is and how much time they have to promote other people's stuff. The next step, you teach the signature workshop live, you sell your offering at the end. After that, they promote the signature workshop recording and they include links to your paid offering that you offer at the end of the signature workshop. They might be an affiliate, they might not. And then they also, if they're an affiliate, they'll probably do this. They send out a solo email solely promoting the paid offering that you pitched at the end, your signature training or your flagship training, whatever that might be. And oftentimes they might be an affiliate. If they're an affiliate, you might give them 10% to upwards of 50% of the revenue generated through their link. So it is honestly that easy and straightforward. You can see the written version of this with it all mapped out on my blog at magicmedia.com/blog. And let's just address the elephant in the virtual room. Those creators who seem stuck in the social media quicksand and probably have been stuck in this quicksand for many, many years and hundreds of hours. Maybe you're the scroll and lose track of time expert, or the post and pray devotee, or the inconsistency aficionados who low-key despise everything about social media but keep doing it anyways. Or you're the boost your post and hope for miracles believers. Are you any of those elephants? Because if you are, don't worry, you're in good company. About 99% of the creators I've ever met and ever worked with are those elephants in the room. And so I'm just saying, hold on to your hat, because this could be your mind-blowing reality quite quickly, where you invest a measly 2 to 4 hours per month reaching out to hosts to host you for your signature workshop. Once you get going, you deliver 1 to 2 signature workshops per week. Those usually take 60 minutes, 90 minutes at the most. And then you witness your email list bloom, your reputation ascend, and your revenue skyrocket. And the mic drop moment is no social media is required. You can use social media to implement this strategy if you wish, but you don't need social media like so many creators think they do. And so hold on to your seats, baby, because I'm about to unveil the grand finale of this particular post. I am leading the Signature Workshop Bootcamp arriving September 14th, which will equip you with every tool, trick, and ounce of audacity you need to craft, launch, and tour your signature workshop like the artistic maestro that you are. Now, this signature workshop training, we're going to design it together. You're going to get all of the email templates, the outreach templates, landing page templates. You're going to actually design your whole signature workshop. You're going to launch your signature workshop. You're going to release the tour emails. You're literally going to deliver it while the training is happening so that you get all the other inspired people inside of the training who may show up to your signature workshop if it's relevant to their interest. And we're all going to support each other and do this thing together. It's going to be a beautiful, communal, creative experience that is expansive, joyful, and profitable for you in the end. That is the intention of this entire training. You can sign up today, because if these words are your anthem, then consider this your official invite to join this parade of trailblazers who've had enough of the digital hamster wheel. This is your escape chariot, and I await you to sign up for my signature workshop training happening September 14th. You can go to magicmedia.com, MAJIK, media.com/signature-workshop to sign up. And I encourage you to get in early because procrastinators be left behind. I hope this has been helpful. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Share it around with some friends who you hear complain about social media. Post it on your own blog. I don't care. I would love to see more people escaping that hamster wheel, because the amount of creative freedom that awaits you on the other side of the scrolling and posting and hoping and waiting and wishing somebody would buy something from you because of your post on social media, what awaits you on the other side is so much better. Trust me, you can get more time, you can have more freedom, you're going to deepen beautiful relationships inside your industry with real people who are into the same things, and so much more goodness can come. So if this has inspired you, I encourage you to take action today.